show you how to do cat's cradle do-it-yourself. I'm going to show you how to make 4 things. I'm going to show you how to make Jacob's ladder. I'm going to show you how to make cat's whiskers. And I'm also going to show you how to make the Eiffel Tower. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how to make the witch's broom. So let's get started. First, I will say what you need. You can use yarn like I have that's knotted at the end somewhere, or you can use string that is burnt together. Anything that'll work that'll make a big O that's all connected. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to put your fingers like your pinky and your thumb finger like this. Put the string over top and open. So it should look like this. And do it with the other hand so they look like this. Okay. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to put your index finger or your pointer finger through right here like this and pull back. You're going to take your other index finger or your other pointer finger and right in between right here, put your index finger and pull back. So it should look like this. You're going to take your thumbs out. So it should look like a box with an X in the middle. So you're going to take your thumbs and put them all the way to the back of all the 4 strings. Hook them under the last string like so and pull back. So it should look like this. Put your thumbs over the first string, under the second one, and pull back. Like this. Now just let your pinkies come out. So it should look like this. Put your pinkies over the first string, under the second one, and pull back. Again, over, under, pull back. Like this. Then drop your thumbs. This is the first thing. Kitty whiskers. Now don't undo it. From here, you're going to put your thumbs over the first 2 and under the third and pull back. You're going to take this string right here, put it over like so. Then this string right here on the thumb, put that over your thumb. So you're going to take this string right here over your thumb, this string right here over, and you're going to pull. So it's like this. There should be 2 little triangles right here. Stick your index or your pointer finger through those 2 triangles, like so. And let your pointer finger rest on your palm. Now from here, the more you do this, the faster you'll be able to do this. But if you're a starter, slowly drop your pinkies and open your index and your thumb finger open, big, and then you're gonna close them to make the Eiffel Tower. Those are 3 things. So let me show you one more time. There is this. I'm just gonna do fast so I can get to it. Kitty whiskers, number 1. Number 2 is Jacob's ladder. Number 3, close them. So if they're open, close them. Stick your thumb finger through both. The Eiffel Tower. Now, restart it. Now I will show you how to make the witch's broom. I'll show you an easy way. Put your fingers like this again. Only one hand though, one hand. You see how there's that knot? There's that knot that you have? Or that burnt piece. You can find that. Try and pull that so it's all the way at the bottom. It makes it easier. Pull this once. Then the knot or the burnt piece should be right here. If it's over to the side a little bit, just take it from the side and pull it to the front, and then pull this part. So the burnt or the knot piece is at the bottom again. Stick your other hand through it this way. Not under, but like this. You're gonna put your thumb finger through here, your pinky finger through here, and you're just gonna pull. So it should turn out like this. put your ring finger through here, middle finger through the middle, and your pointer finger through the first part. And you're just going to pull it back like up. So then this should be the beginning. Take the loosest string or the biggest string and pull. That's how you make the witch's broom. So now I will show you it real quick. That's how you make the witch's broom. I'm Melissa, and thanks for watching.